dear children, I hope you are doing good. Well, I'm back again with the second part of Harris in the Maze. But before going to the second part, let's have a small recap. And the recap is that exactly the story is being narrated by Jerome K. Jerome. He is sharing his experience, what Harris told to him, right? This incident is of a maze which is situated at Hampton Court Palace in London, right? Excuse me. So here Harris was a hero. He is the main part of the story. He shares his experience with Jerome K. Jerome, that how exactly it was to be in this particular maze. Okay, so let's start with the second part. But before going to second part, I would also like to tell that this story is written by Jerome K. Jerome, and it is an extract from a book Three Men in a Boat. Okay, so these three men are Jerome K. Jerome, Harris, and one more is George. Okay, let's start the second part. Now please come to page number 58. I request you, so that we can start the second part without wasting any time, right? So here you can see this guy in black suit. He is Harris. We discussed about this lady with a child in the previous lecture, right? That is in the previous video of part 1. I told you about this lady, right? Let's start now. Harris kept on turning to the right, but it seemed a long way, and his cousin said he supposed it was a very big maze. Oh, one of the largest in Europe, said Harris. Now, here, these are just turning right again and again because they wanted to go out, so they just followed the direction of right. That is, they were just turning right again and again, but they were not able to get out of the maze. Here, his cousin, that is Harris' cousin, is saying that Harris, this maze is very big maze, right? And to the reply to this sentence, that is the statement told by his cousin, Harris reply, yes, one of the largest in Europe. Okay. Yes, it must be, replied the cousin, because we have walked a good 2 miles already. Now, here, children, this can be one of the largest in Europe. This can be RTC. And here, I would also like to tell that we came to know that these people along with Harris are just walking in this maze, and it's been how much time? It's been a long time, and they have already walked 2 miles. Okay, so it's a very big distance. If you just regularly see this distance or regularly cover this distance, it's a very big distance. But here, due to this zigzag and the you can say the maze is like kind of a riddle kind of a thing. So here they are not able to make out how much they walked, but his cousin, that is Harris' cousin, is able to make out that they have already walked 2 miles, right? Harris began to think it rather strange himself, but he held on until at last they passed the half of a piece of cake on the ground that Harris' cousin swore he had noticed there 7 minutes ago. Now, here, while walking through this path, that is, walking through this maze, Harris' cousin told that we have passed from here 7 minutes ago because I saw a piece of cake lying on the ground. So, here Harris say, oh, impossible. But the woman with the baby said, not at all, as she herself had taken it from the child and thrown it down there. Just before she met Harris, she also added that she wished she never had met Harris, and expressed an opinion that he was an impostor. Impostor here means fraud. Okay, that made Harris mad, and he produced his map and explained his theory. Now here, Harris' cousin told that, brother, we are walking here. 7 minutes ago, we walked from here, and again we came on this path. And see, I saw a piece of cake thrown on this path, and see, it was 7 minutes, almost 7 minutes. So Harris said, no, 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 we are on the right path, and it's just you just don't be so curious, and we are walking on this right path. And then this talk is interrupted by this lady. Okay, she says that no, your cousin is saying right, because that cake piece was thrown by my baby only. Okay, so it is right, and I am so sorry to say this. I trusted a person like you, Harris. You are a fraud. I wish I could have uh, not done this deal, and I really wish to, or I hope that I would have not even met you, because you are just a fraud. You just told us lie that you know that the way to get out from this maze, but you yourself is confused, and you yourself don't know how to get out from this maze. So what you will make us get out, or how will you help us? Now this made Harris mad, and what exactly happened was that Harris showed his map. Okay, he produced his map, and then he explained his theory. The map may be all right enough, said one of the party. Now, there, one of the party means what? One of the person who is walking along with them. Okay, that is this group. So, one of the persons say that okay, fine, the map can be right, but the map may be all right enough, said one of the party, but what exactly he wanted to say? Now here you can be he is trying to say that if you know whereabouts in we are now, so he says that the map is all right, there is no problem in the map, but there is a problem in you, because you are not able to find out the things or the content which is mentioned in the map, right? So one of the people pointed out this. Okay, Harris didn't know and suggested that the best thing to do would be to go back to the entrance and begin again. For the beginning again part of it, there was not much enthusiasm. Now here this word enthusiasm, it means what? Excitement. Okay, it means excitement. But with regard to the advisability of going back to the entrance, there was complete unanimity, and so they turned and trailed after Harris again in the opposite direction. About 10 minutes more passed, and then they found themselves in the center. Now here Harris is Harris is telling to these people, okay, fine, if you don't trust me, then what we can do is, how the solution can be produced, what we can do now is, let's start from where we began. That is, let's go to the starting point, that is the entrance point. Let's start from there. Now starting from the first is like kind of a very strenuous job for these people. Why? Because they have already walked 2 miles, right? And it may be more also, but now they are like exaggerated with the statement of Harris, because now they are thinking that there is no energy left in us. How can we start it? But we have to. Why? Because they don't have any other option. So here the enthusiasm, that is the excitement level of the people, is draining, because they do not want to start again, but they don't have any option, or they don't have any choice, they have to do it. Why? Because they anyhow, you can say, anyhow they just want to get out from that maze. Okay, children, maze in Hindi we can call bhul bhulaiya. Okay, where you get stuck up. Okay, I don't know whether you have seen the serial Takeshi's Castle, but it's a very good serial, and you can see that particular daily soap, or that particular channel, it comes on Pogo. There you can see or find that kind of a maze where people go and they fight, and it's a kind of game. Okay, so the name of that daily soap is Takeshi's Castle. Okay. Anyways, let's come to this point once again. Now here Harris have done what? Harris have told them to start it again. Although the people are not willing, but they don't have any choice, and they have to start again. They stood uh, like uh, they stood very stiff out there, but they started also. When they started this journey again, that is in the maze, they found that after 10 minutes they were where? They were at the center of the maze. Okay. Harris thought at first of pretending that that was what he had been aiming at, but the crowd looked dangerous, and he decided to treat it as an accident. Now Harris here, he tried pursuing the people, or he tried pretending in the sense means acting. So here that is Harris, he tried acting that okay, fine, I was just like trying to tell this only. but you are not able to understand. Now here he is thinking that, but he is not able to speak up in front of the people. Why? Because the looks of the people were very dangerous. So he was thinking, if anything, if I utter anything now at this point, I will be surely beaten up like anything with these people, because these people are frustrated, right? So he did not wanted to be a prey, that is, he did not wanted those people to be dangerous towards him, right? So he kept quiet only. Okay, anyhow, they had got something to start from. Then they didn't know where they were, and the map was once more consulted, and things seemed simpler than ever, and off they started for the third time. Now here everything is like, again it is done, it is like recalled, and everything is done again from first. Okay, so again the map is being consulted so that they can get out from that maze. So this is the third time that they are starting their journey of what, of going in the maze, and then coming, they are just wanting to go out from the maze, and this is the third time they are giving the try, consulting the map. Okay, third time, and three times later they were back in the center. Now here the saturation level of the people is like on the top. They are frustrated, they are getting irritated. Why they are getting irritated? Because for the third time this is happening, and this is really not good sign. Okay, after that, they simply couldn't get anywhere else. Whatever way they turned brought them back to the middle. It became so regular at length that some of the people stopped there and waited for the others to take a walk round and came back to them. Now here it was so frustrating. It is very frustrating. Obviously, it would have been very frustrating because the level automatically reaches a saturation point. Okay, there is a saturation point which comes. Why? Because they are just walking here and there, they are just going to the same path again and again, and they are not able to get out from that maze, and again they are just coming at the center only. They tried a lot, but yet it is not working. All things were done, the map was consulted again, everything is done, but yet they are not coming to the what, to the exit point of the maze. They are again and again coming in the middle. Okay, whether they are starting from the right, let's come to the maze again. If they are starting from here, they go to right, again they are in the center. If they start from here, they go to left, then come again to the right, again they are in the center. So they are just getting what, they are just getting confused because they are not knowing how to go out. Okay, so there is a saturation point here of the people, and most of the people, they are doing what, since it is very long, so they are doing what, they are just stopping themselves where they were, and they waited for others to take a walk around and to come back to them. Here Harris drew out his map again after a while, but the sight of it only infuriated the mob. Mob here means crowd, the crowd of the people. Here you can see this is called mob. Okay, and they told him to go and curl his hair with it. Now here what happened. Harris, again, after this situation happened, Harris, he was like, he pretended himself to be a hero again, although he have lost his image of hero in the second part. But he again, he pretended himself to be very over smart, and he told, okay fine, I will take out my map again, let's recall it, and let's consult it again. So the mob, that is the people standing nearby him, they got angry, and they told what, they told Harris to just fold the mop, curl it up, and do what, do curls with the help of that paper, that is the map. Okay, so here it is said, and this line, this told him to go and curl his hair. Here it is a humor. Okay, I mean, how a person can curl his hair from a paper, that is a map, a rolled up map, right? But yet when you roll a paper, children, when you roll a paper, like, it becomes very stiff. Okay, and then the people are saying it's just a kind of idiom, you can say, that you just roll it up, do, or you can say it's a kind of proverb used here, that do like this. Okay, it's nothing, the map is useless, it is not bringing out any kind of outcome. So just do one thing, just roll it up and make curls of your hair with the help of this map. This is what told by the people to whom, to Harris said that he couldn't help feeling that to a certain extent he had become unpopular. So we'll get a, sorry, we'll have a whole halt here. right? This will be the third part, and we'll continue in the next lecture. Till here, Harris, he have lost his image like anything. Harris gained his image in the first part, but in the last part he have lost his image in the second part. Sorry, why? Because he is not able to help the people come out of the maze, right? So students, I hope this is understood to you. Thank you for watching it. We will be completing the third part in the next class. Till then, take care, stay healthy and stay fit at your home. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you once again.